The date is Tuesday, September 6th, and you are looking at Alpha launch vehicle 0008 as it awaits its liftoff, which is currently scheduled for around 7:30 p.m. Eastern. The vehicle will carry the Space Force's Small Orbital Spaceplane Test Vehicle 01 into orbit. It will remain up there for 5 months before deorbiting itself and landing back on a runway in the UES. The orbit we are targeting today is a 74/80 to kilometer 1. Alpha will use its AE to vacuum engine to place itself in that orbit. As you may know, Alpha has gone through its first major upgrade starting with Launch Vehicle 6. We will fly the second version until at least LV0018, which after that we will begin flying our next, heavily upgraded Alpha. We will reveal this version shortly before it is flown.
Please make sure that ground stations are recording and launch machine is active.
GS are recording and LM is active.
Today, we will not be attempting any sort of recovery or hardware testing, but for Launch Vehicle 9, or STP-7, we will attempt to bring back the first stage under parachutes following stage separation. It will surely be an exciting event. A while ago, we flew our first Delta kick stage. Since then, it has not been required. However, we are seeing more and more satellites that require it. We have made major upgrades to it, including a co-passenger smallsat dispenser, and we have also decreased its size to confidently fit inside Alpha. If you are just joining us, we have just passed under 1 minute from launch. Let's listen into pad audio and watch as Alpha takes the SpTV into orbit from Launch Complex 1. We are coming up on main engine cutoff. After that the stages will separate and the IE to vacuum engine will start. Shortly after that the payload fairing will separate in half.
Miko. Fairing set.
Stage to guidance nominal.
SECO 1.
Stage 2 has executed the first of 2 burns. We will now enter a short coast phase before preforming the second burn. If you are just joining us, we are about to relight the second stage engine in preparation for orbital insertion and payload deployment. First stage preformed as expected, and so is stage 2. Let's listen in as the vehicle completes its mission.
SES 2. SECO 2.
We have successfully reached the target orbit, and we are standing by for the separation of the spaceplane.
Payload separation confirmed.
And Alpha has done it again, an 8th successful mission. This brings the webcast to a close. We'll see you next time.